10 Best Websites to Make Money Online by Clicking Ads. Have you ever thought about starting to make money online but, instead of doing so with the most usual means you find online such as affiliate programs or by starting your own online store, doing it by clicking ads on web pages? That is indeed a viable way for you to start making a decent amount of money. To help you understand better how these PTC, pay-to-click, and GPT, get paid to websites work and what they are, we've created a list including all the best options for you to make money clicking ads. Find out what the options are and explore what makes each of them unique. 1. Neobucks. Neobucks is certainly a great option for those who want to make money clicking ads. The amount of money you can receive will depend on your sign-up type to the platform, as well as the quality and the type of ad you're clicking. On its upside, Neobucks doesn't have any limitations as to how much you can click every day or how much income you can generate. The minimum withdrawal amount for the first payment is $2 and they use primarily the platforms Skrill and Neteller to do so. 2. GPT Planet. With GPT Planet you can make up to 1 cent per click on ads or by taking part in surveys and filling out online forms. Besides that, the platform also offers an affiliate program, where you can bring more users to start using this service and receive based on how well they perform. 3. Get Paid. Get Paid is an excellent option among the websites to make money clicking ads. It's been up and running since 2005 and it works based on a coin system for users who complete certain tasks. They include clicking ads, filling out forms, taking part in some online surveys, and even offers a few random contests. Get Paid sends payments to your PayPal account to start using it to make your extra income. 4. Scarlet Clicks. Similar to GPT Planet, Scarlet Clicks is a website that'll pay you up to 1 cent per click on online ads and is one of the best ways to make money online. Its minimum withdrawal amount is $2, which can be done via Neteller, RTM, SRKill, and other platforms like these. The service offers a platform that shows you in detail everything you've made and it also offers you support. 5. Ysense. Considered a global community to make money online, Ysense is also a very good option to earn by clicking on ads. They act mostly in the questionnaires and online forms areas. However, they also pay users to try out certain services and products, download apps, sign up to websites, or even to watch videos. 6. OfferNation. Another amazing alternative among the websites to make money clicking on ads, OfferNation will give you 25 cents from the get-go, as soon as you sign up. Unlike other platforms, they have a web page dedicated exclusively to proving they actually pay their users. This is a website that works in the GPT, get paid to, model. That is, its users will get paid for performing specific actions, such as clicking ads, filling out forms, and more. 7. Swagbucks. Exclusive for those who live in the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia, Swagbucks is another website focused on video ads. It offers a point system and a cashback one that can then be converted into gift cards for online marketplaces such as Amazon, or to your PayPal account. Swagbucks' main focus is in making your day-to-day online activities in a way to passively make money and, according to the data they present, they've paid almost $450 million to their users. 8. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is a great alternative among the websites to make money by clicking on ads. Beyond adverts, you'll also be able to make some extra cash by filling out forms and online surveys. A nice edge found on Fusion Cash is that you can make money by installing mobile apps. Unfortunately, it is only available for American residents and it also only lets you withdraw your money when you've reached at least $25 on the platform. The payments are by PayPal, gift cards, and some other methods. 9. Bucks Inc. Finishing off our list, we have Bucks Inc., which also has a few neat advantages. They pay their users exclusively for the activities that involve clicking ads or navigating on the advertiser's page for at least 30 seconds. The service has over 100,000 users and has paid over $1.5 million among them. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars sends ads straight to your email and pays you to read them. They are emails about special offers from different merchants. Home Chef, Vistaprint, JustFab, and Hulu Plus are just a few of the companies that use Inbox Dollars to advertise offers they are attempting with consumers. It only takes a few minutes, and who knows, maybe you'll consider using one of the products or deals yourself. All these are completely free to join and have a track record of being a successful way to make an income. You have to be careful though, because there are scam websites out there that will have you do the work but will not pay you anything. Did you already know this was a way to make money online? Let us know in the comments which one of these websites you're interested in using, or even if you already knew them. Register on all of these best sites and start making money right now. All you need is a couple of minutes to view ads, complete some surveys, and you are good to go. In short, follow all the tips listed, start clicking on ads and renting referrals. Stay tuned with our channel. We are going to make a lot of such get-going videos which will help young professionals and entrepreneurs to reach their goals. Please check out our other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.